Final expense life insurance. Are you 50 and above? Have you reached that stage in life where you have started to sit back and look at life with a bird's eye view? Your priorities shrink when you are at a later stage of life and your perspective shifts from fast-paced to a more comfortable post-retirement life. This thought extends towards your loved one's comfort as well. A decision to get a life insurance policy is something that comes to mind where you would want your loved ones to be covered even when you are not around. If you are worried about getting qualified for a traditional life insurance plan, then Final Expense Insurance Plan can come in handy. What is Final Expense Life Insurance Policy? As the name suggests, final expense is a form of life insurance which covers your final expenses and burial or funeral costs in the event of your death. Therefore, Final Expense Policy has a lower death benefit than traditional life insurance plans and does not require any medical exam to qualify. What costs are covered under Final Expense Policy? A 2021 study from the National Funeral Directors Association shows that the average funeral cost with viewing and burial can add up to $7,000, $8,000. With funeral costs getting higher each year, it is imperative to have a policy that covers everything that costs in a typical burial or cremation service. These include funeral home costs, transportation, burial expenses if you choose burial, embalming costs, cremation costs if you decide to be cremated, officiant fee and additional ceremonial costs such as music, flowers, etc. However, the Final Expense Plan, also known as burial insurance or funeral insurance plan, can be used by your loved ones for any purpose. From paying property taxes to taking a vacation, this plan comes with no strings attached and your loved ones can use it however they need. What are the benefits of Final Expense Life Insurance Policy? Depending on your circumstance and health status, Final Expense Policy may turn out to be your primary option. Lower death benefit. Not everyone can afford life insurance policies over $50,000, this does not stop them to get a life insurance and enjoy its perks. Here Final Expense Policy comes in handy as it can help with the financial burden that comes with funerals or other expenses. With a payout amount of $50,000 or less, it becomes one of the most affordable policy options. Poor health. Not to worry, mostly people fear to get life insurance policies thinking they have to undergo medical exam procedures. Others do not qualify for such life insurance policies due to one or the other health issue. If you fall into either of these categories, Final Expense Policy has got you covered. Your poor health or pre-existing health conditions will not bar you from getting your Final Expense life insurance. Peace of mind for loved ones. If the premiums are paid, then your loved ones can leverage Final Expense Insurance for some other expenses after you're gone. Similar to a standard life insurance, your Final Expense Insurance can be used for any purpose by your loved ones. Costs are covered, but they can also find peace in the fact that they will receive a certain financial help when the need comes. How does Final Expense Insurance Plan work? Interested to explore Final Expense Insurance options? Gibson Benefit Plans LLC would be happy to take you through the steps and find the best options according to your situation. From as low as $2,000 to $50,000, you can buy a coverage amount that covers your funeral costs, medical bills, or any other expenses. Visit our website and fill out your details to get a free and quick customized quote. What's even better? Our Contact Us page, where we are just a call away to guide you on how Final Expense Insurance works and what are best suited options for you. Be it any life insurance policy, we are happy to work with you to safeguard your loved one's financial interests.
25 years of experience in the life insurance industry.
My name is Kelly Gibson, the owner and general manager of Gibson Benefit Plans LLC. I have a lifelong dedication to customer service along with more than 2 decades of experience in the life insurance industry. I have managed, recruited, and cold called door to door. I have been awarded promotions and accolades. We are dedicated and driven to take our customer service to a new level with our life insurance products. Our goal is to have a permanent relationship with our clients by customizing the right plan and making the life insurance process smooth and easy for our members. Services: life insurance, term life insurance, whole life insurance benefits, universal life insurance, final expense coverage, free memorial guide, mortgage protection, benefit plans, rated life insurance, rated cremation plans, burial insurance, life insurance, final expense coverage, whole life insurance, term life coverage, term life, final expense, guaranteed life insurance, guaranteed whole life. What is final expense coverage? Final expense insurance is a whole life policy that has a small death benefit and is easier to get approved for. Final expense insurance is also called funeral insurance, burial simplified issue whole life insurance, or modified whole life insurance. All are terms that the insurance industry uses to sell small whole life policies with a face value, death benefit, of $2,000 to $50,000. There is no difference between final expense insurance and normal life insurance other than the fact that insurers sell smaller policies to make it more affordable. Final expense insurance has a death benefit designed to cover expenses such as a funeral or memorial service, embalming, and a casket, or cremation. However, the beneficiaries can use the death benefit for any purpose, from paying property taxes to taking a vacation. We market final expense insurance to people that are older and starting to think about their funeral costs. What is whole life insurance? Whole life insurance provides permanent death benefit coverage for the life of the insured. In addition to paying a death benefit, whole life insurance also contains a savings component in which cash value may accumulate on a tax-advantaged basis. These policies may be known as traditional life insurance. What is term insurance life? Term life insurance, also known as pure life insurance, is a type of life insurance that guarantees payment of a stated death benefit if the covered person dies during a specified term. Once the term expires, the policy holder can either renew it for another term, convert the policy to permanent coverage, or allow the term life insurance policy to terminate. What is universal life insurance? Universal life insurance is permanent life insurance with an investment savings element and low premiums that are similar to those of term life insurance. Most all insurance policies contain a flexible premium option. However, some require a single premium, single lump sum premium, or fixed premiums, scheduled fixed premiums. What other services do you offer? We have partnered with a company called Legal Shield. Get access to professional consultation, letters and phone calls, contract and document review, 24/7 emergency access, trial defense services, court representation, and other benefits. https://gibson39.wearlegalshield.com. Do Gibson Benefit Plans LLC have an office location? No. Due to COVID-19 we decided to close down our office location and turn our business into home-based for the safety of our clients. What is guaranteed issue life insurance? Guaranteed issue life insurance is a policy you can't be turned down for. And no health questions. The downside is that it generally has high costs and only low amounts of coverage available.